Okay, YouTubers, this is this week's update. Merry Christmas to all of the railroad fans out there. This week I just went ahead and put back the front fascia that surrounds the lower section, and as you can see, it's been completed with the ballast and some dirt. Looks a little clean now, but we're gonna have to dirty that up a little bit. This area in here. Now if you notice, it's kind of dark in there. Once you cut some lights. So I had decided to do something about that. And I'll describe what I have done. Okay, so I go to Home Depot the day after Christmas, and they have these Christmas decoration sales, 50% off. And I see this LED ribbon for $6, marking 12, 50% off. So I look at it and say, you know what, I could use this. So what's included in the package is 12 feet of ribbon and a transformer with an output of 3 volts DC, 1 amp, which is enough to power many LEDs. All of this for $6. Transformer and 36 LEDs on a ribbon. This is what it looks like. Just go ahead and carefully cut the ribbon around the wire, both sides. Also cut the other end to free it. Be very careful not to cut the wire. And just pull out the string of LEDs. There you go. A string of 36 LEDs that you can splice into and wire any way you want to light up several buildings or whatever you'd like to light up. All I'm doing is getting a hot glue gun and gluing the flat part of the LED onto the top of the masonite, like so, and I'll just go and do each one. Alright, so the lights are in place. What I do now is I've finished putting in all of the switches for all the tortoises on the south subdivision. The yellow ones are the yard ladder, red is the main line, and green are sidings. That's just the way I color code the switches. Here's a view from the back. Now on all of my lighting, I like to install a separate electrical bus, if you will, a separate electrical circuit, so that I can have lights on or off and separate from the power for the transformer. So I've just taken a simple extension cord, cut off the end. So you can see, and use the male end to plug into the wall. Right there. So I use the male end, plug into the wall, have the extension cord run wherever I'm going to put my box. And in this case, there it is. It'll go into the outlet box, and then I splice off and attach a power switch so I can control each individual outlet with its own switch, which cannot be seen unless you go below the layout and you just flip them on and off from that area. Okay, so there you have it. The switch has been installed. Later on I'll come and label it. There's a splice. This end to the transformer. This end to the lights. Now it's just a matter of flipping it on. Lights come on. This is the end result with the panels placed in their proper position. Not bad for $6. And here's a little preview of what you may see coming up next on a review. Santa Claus was nice and dropped me off a Union Pacific Challenger from MTH.